Hi guys, today we're starting elimination. There are three main steps. Make sure terms and the equal sign line up vertically. If not, rearrange them. Choose a variable to eliminate. Look for opposites. If there's none, multiply and rewrite. And then we add. If neither x nor y term remains, examine this following statement. If it's true, infinite many solutions. If it's not true, no solution. If one x or y term remains, we solve for the unknown, substitute the answer to find the other variable, and then we write our solution as an ordered pair. All right, let's practice down below. So our first one, I know my x's line up, my y's line up, and my numbers line up. I know I have opposites right over here, so those are going to eliminate. Now I'm going to add the rest. 5x plus 7x is 12x. Negative 25 and negative 11 make negative 36. Divide both sides by 12. X will equal negative 3. I'm halfway done. I'm going to choose one of my equations. It doesn't matter which one you choose. I'll choose the top one. 5 times negative 3 plus y equals negative 11. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, plus y equals negative 11. Add 15 to both sides. Y equals 4. So my final answer is negative 3, 4. Next one, I look for opposites. I have opposites here, and I have opposites there. So what that means is both of them are going to cancel out. So I'm left with 0, and then I add the rest. 2 plus 3 is 5. Does 0 equal 5? That is false. So my answer is no solution. All right, let's go to the next page, page 11. All right, this time I have 2x and 2x, but they're not opposites. So I'm going to have to multiply everything on this bottom one by negative 1. So negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. Negative 1 times 4y is negative 4y. 24 times negative 1 is negative 24. So that I can eliminate. Now I look for my opposites. They're right over here. Those will cancel out. 3 plus negative 4 is negative 1y. 14 plus negative 24 is negative 10. Divide both sides by negative 1. Y will equal 10. Now I need to find my x value. I'm going to choose this top equation. 2x plus 3 times 10 equals 14. So that's 2x plus 30 equals 14. Minus 30 on both sides. 2x is equal to negative 16. Divide both sides by 2. X will equal negative 8. So my solution is negative 8, 10. Next one. This would be much easier to solve using substitution. However, we're going to solve with elimination. I have a negative 3x on top, so I want to change this one to be a positive 3x. So I'm going to multiply everything by 3. So I have 3 times x is 3x. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 6 is 18. This is no longer here. Look what I can eliminate. I can eliminate my x's because they're opposites. I could eliminate my y's because they're opposites. And I could eliminate my constants. So I'm left with 0 equals 0, which is a true statement. So it's infinitely many solutions. Alrighty, last one. I want to have opposites again. So I know 2 times 2 is 4, but I need it to be negative 4. So I'm going to multiply everything on the bottom by negative 2. 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times 2y is negative 4y. Negative 2 times 18 is negative 36. So I'll cross that out. That's not my equation anymore. I have my opposites. Those will eliminate. Add everything else. 5 plus negative 6 is negative 1x. 30 plus negative 36 is negative 6. Divide by negative 1 on both sides. X will equal 6. I'm going to plug it into that top equation. 5 times 6 plus 4y equals 30. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 4y equals 30. Minus 30 on both sides. 4y equals 0. Divide by 4. Y equals 0. So my solution is 6, 0. All right. Make sure to work on the worksheet on the next page. Thanks. Or the substitute will give you a worksheet to work on next. Thanks, and have a great day.